Okay.
Jamaica now, you know.
Yeah.
Arsenal, you know.
Eh? Arsenal world, you know.
North London.
Arsenal.
Arsenal.
Arsenal. I told you.
Yeah.
England.
Master G
Team of support.
from East London. Yeah. Live stream every Saturday, whenever possible.
That is
On Mixcloud.
Yeah.
Club up the road.
Yeah.
Then they work with
Slum radio, he's on
Arsenal.
slum radio.
See, tell him. Remember to talk to your kids. Yeah.
David Thomas.
Yes.
You know.
Slum
Them man the
radio.
Paul Davis.
Yes.
Them man the draw me to Arsenal.
Yes. All right.
Manas.
1 minute. These
Blessings,
people
my brother.
come from Clapton. Me I tell you, Clapton, you come from. Yes.
Yeah, man.
More pleasant. Oh my God! Oh, we are set to be brother.
Small world, yeah?
Touch pot.
Yes,
You know what time I'm gonna buy my phone?
Mikey.
Blood.
Small world, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, small world, man.
using that bus?
Yes.
Myers music.
Yeah, me to upstairs.
Yes.
But I would have never Columbo, but it would never run.
Nobody good still. Nobody good.
I stammer,
A stammer.
Yeah, hold on.
You know them, man.
What do you that, man?
Too young, you know.
If you say bail me, yeah, I know I'm good, you know. Maybe still in the box of my waist, you know.
And get young in Jamaica.
If get young again, from Jamaica.
Jamaica, get young.
Melody.
If you see me, I say good.
Yeah, man.
Good
A
upstairs.
small world, man. Small world. Yes. Yeah, man. Big up all of the UK team. Big up all of the UK people. See, we are big up all of the UK people.
Master G from East London.
Yes.
From East London.
Amen. London.
Arsenal.
All the time. Yes,
Big
man.
up Master, come with the on top right now.
Jamaica we there.
Oh, Alison Reggae. Say something, pretty girl.
Yeah, big up Master G every time.
That is it. Pretty lady. See something, man.
And she love chatting up.
The land of food and water.
That is
This
it.
is paradise on earth.
That's it. Hey, cause you know, sir, same like you're supposed to bombard with the same thing like me. Because trust me, at 24 years, me take we come back here now. First, we come back from England, you know. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. I'm here for 1 month now, yeah. But now, when you're there in England, people have a lot of things to say about Jamaica. Say Jamaica. And people make me not come back to Jamaica, you know.
No.
We invest in a Jamaica.
Invest less.
And we come back here, can't come here.
Thank you.
People take it over.
So what you want to say to those people who live in England now?
Who want to stay? Stay.
Yeah.
My neighbors are from England.
Nobody not trouble you. Yes, that's it. Yeah.
America.
Yes.
So who want runway?
Yeah.
I'm over there.
Yeah.
Deal with council tax when them stay. We are
You hear that?
still here.
Also-
Enjoying it.
Yes.
Rum, the liquor,
Yes.
the vegetable,
That is it.
and the vegetable.
Yo.
Everything is nice.
You hear what the man said?
Everything is all
All
good.
who want to go to England go deal with council tax. You can't stand there.
Hey, I'm a council tax. I go up next month again.
Again.
Like life is simple.
Yes, yes.
So we just eat simple and enjoy.
Yes, yes,
And we
yes.
eat the
No
food.
big splash and dash. If you're coming down with a splash and dash, you end up broke.
Yes.
Make life simple.
Make life simple.
Jamaica with
And
it.
love people.
And love people.
Ataba, yaba,
No mix
yaba,
up.
yaba. Yes, 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 yes. Know your size.
Cheers.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Stay in your lane. Don't watch the
Stay in your lane. Stay in your
your
lane.
lane.
Yeah, man. Stammer.
Yeah, man, say
Love,
your
love to you, my brother.
Yeah,
Love,
man.
love to you, my
Bless
sister.
it.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Pretty lady, come man. Cheers to you, man. Cheers to you, man. Rasta, enough love, man. So what, man? Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Enough love, man. Me say, man, he's bad, man. You wanna go there
A
again?
bad man swim at this, you know.
You see it, man. Yes, 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 man.
What do you manage?
You wanna go there again? Eh?
I was working.
Yeah, man. Last week you go all the way out there. I'm telling you, when you drink up in Red Label. Yeah, yes, 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 yes. You wanna go there again? You wanna?
Me not go there when you know how to.
So tell me now, you wanna go back out there? Maybe you want Red Label wine.
Want a red label wine?
Eh? Me know say you're alright, man.
You're
But
alright.
everybody a drink, man. Eh? Alright, go and buy one. Take out the money.
No, don't force him.
No, me not force him to go there. I'm a friend, man.
Back out there, you know.
Yeah, man. We'll get you a drink. You're stammer boy. You're stammer friend. And me see you walk like cartoon.
Your cartoon.
Look at.
It's a dolphin.
Look at. That is it. Red label wine. Yes. Yes, look at that. Yeah, man.
That's why you
Go look at that. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah, man. Jamaica nice, man. Brother, Jamaica nice, you know.
Jamaica nice. I came out here for my 60th birthday. Yeah.
Yes.
And I could have keep a big dance in East London, because
Yes.
that's where I'm from.
Yes, E5, yes.
I could have keep a big dance to say.
Yes. And call all of the massive.
And call
All of the massive. Yes.
Me there, yeah.
How you mean?
In Jamaica, where my parents come from.
That is, but
Yeah.
are your country too?
And my country.
Of course, are your yes.
Pay homage to my homeland.
That is it.
And I have some there.
Yes, so you're there, yeah, man.
60.
Yeah, man.
I
how you
believe
mean?
I'm 60.
Yeah, you look fresh, man. Look fresh, brother.
I've been DJing for 40 years.
You're fresh, man. You're fresh. You look like a peer DJ, man. You know one brother named Alton.
DJ Alton, I'm a brethren, man.
You see, you
DJ
know
Alton,
Alton, man. You know Alton, yeah, man. Alton, I'm a bridging too.
Okay.
Yeah, man, because last week in there, you saw with me as well.
You did there last week?
Yeah, man, Alton there last week, man. Yeah, man, DJ Alton, man.
Enough DJ out there right now from England.
Yeah, man. So Stinky Dog, them, Matthew, them, and all of them, man, me and them come from the same place up in the hills there. Up in the Chilani top, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. A small world, my brother.
Small
World, man. See, the pretty lady does a smile, you know. You don't see that in the Jamaica too sweet.
Steve.
A paradise on earth. A paradise. All right. The other day we went to a place, Upper St. Thomas, where you have the healing water up there. Have you been there?
Have you been to the St. Anne's one with fire in the water?
Yeah, I've been there a couple of days. I'm touring the place, you know. So, what I want you to do now, I want you to subscribe. Please subscribe at my channel. Can we have a channel, you know? It's called Travel with Prince Malachi. Let me find it on YouTube. Prince Malachi. You have a YouTube? Yeah.
But me not lie.
You're not online?
No.
Yeah. Which one are you have? Okay, yeah. So because now, if you do that now, you could see this video.
Okay.
You understand? Because now we're having a nice time.
Prince Malachi, yeah?
Prince Malachi.
So when we get back, we have Wi-Fi.
Yes.
We type it in, yeah? And we just
all right,
do that,
then let me give me English number. So you can go on WhatsApp. And when you go on WhatsApp, then yeah. So me give my English number. Yeah.
You want to talk to my friend?
Yeah. And then now, Jamaica too nice, man. Let me type it in instead of shout it out, yeah?
Yeah.
So hold it.
Man, a reason. I didn't want one of these, you know. They're nice. Yeah. And you get all the kits where you can go into the water with it. Yeah.
Yeah, they go into the water with that. Yeah. Alright then, so look here man, I'm gonna store it. So add it. So what you want to know me as? Think if what your friend. Let me put my name. Let me put my name.
Put your name and then in brackets if you can.
So the TV name, they show name. Alright, Travel TRA.
I find 18 and give it a come back.
I mean, you can talk. I'm going to do live stream.
Yeah. You love live stream?
No, yeah. My live stream already from here.
Yeah.
Rolling where they were all with
So is it Travel with Prince Malachi? That's the TV name. That's the YouTube name. So you can't.
So what I will do is one ding you and let you know, Sammy, or send you a text.
Let me edit.
Why the miss why you them at them say come like really get mad.
Or you go to edit.
Put the name wrong.
Yeah.
Is that your wife?
Yeah. That's my mistake. Okay, Malachi, 1 minute.
What do you think about Jamaica? So why are you going back?
Malachi is in the Bible, yeah?
Yeah.
So,
Alright, no problem. Yeah.
So you will find me and so now you can find me on WhatsApp and then just send me a text on WhatsApp now and then we send you the link and everything, yeah? So this will come in out by Tuesday. You can see the link up, yeah? Yeah man.
I obviously want to see my family for the last time and I see it instead. And I meet this man, he said he came on holiday and he didn't know what he can experience because he was telling them he's not going back. And now he's investing, he's building an apartment beside the Bahia Hotel. And he's doing Bahia and he's doing well.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to stay here. His wife, no, she don't want to stay. She come for 6 months and she's gone again. She come for 6 months, she's gone again.
Yeah, you just have to organize
the
yourself.
man is not leaving his food.
Yeah. No, look, everybody wanna get away, you know. You wanna get away. I live in England too long now. I wanna get away.
It's put two and two together.
Yes.
Investment, you have to be big enough.
Yes.
Put two things together, you come down here and just invest in a thing.
Yeah, man. Have some cash flow.
Mr. Man, come down here. A fish and chips myself.
Yes. It doesn't matter.
And him have hand.
It doesn't matter. You just want to have an idea. Mother, all you want in Jamaica is an idea. You want an idea? That is it. Jamaica is one of the easiest places to run a business.
Really?
You understand? To run a business. Me have a friend in the UK we have all them restaurants, them have a run in America. Bills would have killed them in there. Every type of bills. You see me? Yeah man, so Jamaica, God bless Jamaica. And not even say business alone, but living in Jamaica and live around the people in Jamaica is warm, the weather is good, the people, they're very nice.
People will look like me and you.
Yeah, people will look like me, they're very nice. Yeah man, they're very nice because, trust me, coming in Jamaica here, back to my roots again, come touch break. So coming back now is like, I come reset the mindset. Yeah. That's what I come do, you know. Reset the mindset. Yeah,
you know what I say?
Yeah. You have to.
Much man. Me walk past since me there.
Yeah.
And me say, he look like somebody. He look like something.
Yes.
You understand?
Just stop them and talk to them, man. And they're ready to talk, man. Yeah, man. But especially for us black people living in UK, it's very important for us to get away at times because one thing I understand, live in America, in England. Mental health is high amongst black men in there. The oppression.
Yeah. I was a mental health nurse.
That's what I'm saying to you. This is what I get to discover up there. So,
You don't want to come on camera. You're afraid of camera. I was an intern.
Yo, let me show you something. You're beautiful.
Lovely.
Okay. All right then. Okay. I don't have to show it to you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You don't have to say it. Yeah, man.
I'll open it up later.
Yeah, man. Anyway, may I cut the video? We're going to come to the end of our recording now. We're going to have a private conversation. But guys, you know what? It's been a pleasure. And I enjoy my time. You know, tomorrow we're going back to UK. Arsenal. Arsenal. guys, we love you. Please remember to share and subscribe and like the channel. God bless you, and we out of here.